In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with QuickBooks. Start by logging in to Zoho CRM. From there, go to Settings, Open Marketplace, then choose All. In the search bar, type QuickBooks. You'll see multiple results, including options like the QuickBooks extension for Zoho CRM and the QuickBooks Online native extension. For this walkthrough, select the QuickBooks extension for Zoho CRM. This is the one we'll use to connect the two systems so your CRM can work with your QuickBooks data. Click the extension to open its details, then start the free trial. You'll be prompted to check the required boxes to confirm you understand what's being installed. Click Continue. Next, review and agree to the terms. When you are ready, click Continue to install. Agreeing to the terms is important because it outlines how the extension connects and what access it needs to function properly. You'll then be asked to choose who can use the extension. Select the users or profiles that should have access. This helps you control visibility and ensures only the right teams interact with the integration inside Zoho CRM. After making your selection, proceed to the next step. You'll see a Preparing to Install message. Click to begin and let the installer run. This can take a little time, so avoid closing the tab or navigating away until it finishes. Once the installation moves forward, you'll be redirected to authorize the connection. This is where you link Zoho CRM to your QuickBooks Online account. Sign in to QuickBooks Online with your credentials. You'll be taken to a permissions screen. Carefully review the access the extension is requesting, so Zoho CRM can communicate with your QuickBooks data. When everything looks right, grant the permissions. Approving this step allows the integration to function as designed. After you grant access, the installation wraps up and your systems are connected. At this point, you are ready to start using the extension within Zoho CRM, confident that the connection to QuickBooks Online has been authorized correctly. That's the process from start to finish. Thanks for watching.